I just took a shower and now I'll just do my skincare. A normal moisturizer from grwm. This works really good, and now I'm going to get a big one. Now let's do my makeup. I have to shoot some of the content from my Instagram, and also we are going swimming pool with my friends. Let's move on to eyeshadow. Wow, the birds. Yeah, let's put some shimmer. Attitude House. So much easy to use. You just have to brush. God, I don't know how to do my makeup. Glowy because of the cushion foundation. Now I'm just gonna add my favorite lipstick and lip tint. It's so glossy. Okay, so this is my final makeup look. So this is done. Now I need to also I got a cute parcel. I think let's unbox it. I really wanted this. Thank you so much. The packaging is so cute. This is cute stickers as a freebies. And the packaging is so good. It's a Hello Kitty. So cute. I really love it. This is so cute. I think the customs is also available. So if you want to customize your own tumbler, then you should definitely check out their page. I'll be mentioning down in my description box. So cute. Thank you. Also, I have received some so cute. The sent me the cutest strawberry necklace. So pretty. I'm done with my PR packages. Also, this is from inside, and I'll be posting the video in my Instagram. So this one is so Pinteresty. I really love this one. Like dress. Wear this dress for a picnic. So cute, and I really love the fabric. It's like, I think it's a cotton. Also got a t-shirt from Foot. It's a baby tee and it's so cute. So yeah, bye guys. So we are ready to head out, and this is my outfit. My friend's outfit. Also, like, the weather is so bad right now. It's going to rain, and I don't know why my friends want to go. Bye. She's calling me. Let's go. This is the outfit. Raining. I don't know. It's so good. Now I'll just edit some of my videos. This is our outfit. We just changed our plan and we are going to the center to eat something. Going to city center. So we are in jam right now. I jammed it. Let's go. Guys, so we are going somewhere right now. So lots of food. I'm the only one who got cheese. So, turning back home, it's getting dark.